no envy. If you blow with the blow, if you blow with the blow.
Alright, Ashafo ne Atiefo yina me mamo akwa baba the exclusive show on Hytvgh. Mamo soon for MCI kana me di dwumedi ebremo. In fact, over the weekend nyoma we bring twegu abe for time so. Me sure say we call weekend or have a good time because me have a splendid time with my family. What you see? Just say weekends sometimes if you're boring, but one I will bet you say if you're very boring amount. So if you have your phone with you, if you have a place like Sarabo Hotel to go have good time there and they forget to say weekends very boring amount. So over the weekends I was at Sarabo Hotel, I was having good time inside Sarabo Hotel. And I believe that you also had same. So right here we are back to the studio with an exclusive show. I'm about to gist you with the latest trend on the social media. What you see? And apart from that, any other topic we are about discussing with my great pundits, or Boba Ewasi. Then I'm more about show this one. I didn't know.
I don't know the show, Charlie. Weekend, and Asaba.
Sure. Now weekend, I go saying.
Charlie, the probably best idea by the rest.
In fact, before I ever call your trends, my question for you, since we are a fan of betting in your man, let me say weekend me some press release we say omo mucha betting omo wini amount bibria na now do so the taxes ba beto so what it
me no na can dey agament here
idea e what towns is here now do so the taxes to bet so omo mu wini big amount no mucha taxes
me no short of the tax to bet so per se. So, matter tax ever to online activities and
but more or lay more emphasis on bet so.
Alright, so the tax but so they are any problem. So far as you did not want to either we had my papa who scan near to small tax. I don't complain.
Mumba, this year Bibia quite taxes in your money. You see, taxes not also. A woman say, or mine, tax no only go mine. And a taxes none on the MBB answer kind. But just ask yourself this question: say, or more taxes no, or more by the year development for my money.
Thank you very much. Only question when I come to say taxes now some more no. And only taxes in here complain and I say, do my name ain't buy and do my name find here and here complain. One, Okabucha, Abuche, or more taxes for.
Yeah,
Abuchi outside Ghana, we taxes rough, but I didn't complain. Say taxes no more piano. Omunya
faso.
What I say?
Yeah.
It's no more complain. But yeah, Ghana no taxes in doors. By any so then, faso. Anything I may complain. It's a taxes door, taxes in doors. But the problem is, do the taxes create avenues for us? A bien human and you Ghana for a complaint. Who's a Ghana? You try a boy come president. President salary required a manner here complain. I didn't because president is kind of a man. So I know what you man
Oh yeah.
Anything I complain is a task can scan. I got what could the school no about president and came as scan and came complain. But because the task can man, you who do my oil. Players is a football players now on Bobo is Ghana Black Star money African qualifiers African Cup. Your boy near your calculate players no Esika.
Yeah.
I didn't because born now by players in born. Among my own Fasobia. You know any feedback, good feedback. Oh, you invest to board by you did
feedback response.
About anything I can complain. The tax in the track any problem by a so fast. I don't need a problem.
Okay, so this was a very short one from our very own the entertainment pundit that is Obuaba for you. Now Ochena dream based on the taxes placed on Yankasa ye betting we na ye you know. You see Nanado or the bed tax na for baby which are bet to cramp out the tax file. You see nyame okoye ohun yi crab tax.
Oh ne out that.
Eh, is all my tata show. We need to go say 90. And I believe that now Nancy meaning say due to one or two problems network our area and community Nancy won't mean what social media. Next year say say made in Ghana comedian on a SDK on my some comedy show be recently skits be about is there more cast or music ponko so almost and over the Nam crew.
And then the host said,
yes.
Phone call going to phone.
How much do you go, man? MDK say, made in Ghana say, oh, so for no, why didn't say we are near the Benanti because Ponko no Jafo. The other answer didn't be called no young Rabiari. That's all. Now I pay to a man and a one. You move. And see, I believe that Nanado near Kosuni just to create an awareness for you to know, say, or minimum iodine. 4 prizes are shooting. You see, a lorry first have shooted. You see, an Africa cost shorter distance compared. The amount you pay, it's quite serious. And now, a German you want to work as we are German way is scam. Now, what they say is just taxes.
Now we are German because salary is
I hear now, Winya. Obika a Juma for 3 months, 6 months. The salary called Onyaye. Neomatica say, national NSS for year. The whole time almost 30, you know, almost pay my.
See that? Even Napku. Yeah,
Nanado introducing
almost 6 months. Meaning teacher me 6 months, 8 months in China. And also on good school.
You see, man, my thing, I think, you see, a dreaded for bread, a Juma, I buy Juma for they are all complaining. She said, Nanado baby, we are found there now, on share now, on your phone. Now, you're moving on to the main story for the day. First story of the day. You Bema Papi Kojo. Someone can Papi Kojo, we need to Fanti Van Dam, Tadi, Van Dam Bakope. Like, a branch in the time, somewhere 2015, 2014, 2015, only Joe B, the young baby, Eba, Bontin, Emma, clothing line, Eba, Emma, Numa, Koso, come. A lot of us were, we're actually into their style of dressing. And now you need you on music so happy. Hey, now a good time. Now, near Akobani said, right from that moment till now, right from the year 2015 till now, Papi ni Joby or Muntim and Shada and Clicky Papa. Now, a brand here about one of the Instagram bloggers, or a very good when it comes to, mechanism or influencer. Yes, your friend Larry King. Yeah, Sabran no wa make ni analysis bi na oya analysis ni we no or the ababe tudwa me ready ama ahwefo ni etiefo nso enya ho understanding na ne oya enyi o say Papi believes Joe Beat thought he could succeed in the music industry without him. Papi says if it was up to him all his songs would feature Joe B, but the fallout isn't about the music. Smells like betrayal. You're moving on to the next one. Producer for second one to someone made us say. Papi reveals that there were days where he cried bitterly about his fallout to Joe B manager, who was on the space, and he equally confirmed. Joe B's manager maintains that Papi Kojo and Joe B have a working relationship. Papi does not want to work with Joe B. Producer, I call the next story. I say, Papi Kojo says he is in a happy place now. He is still doing this music to debunk the narrative that he couldn't do it without Joe B. Whatever it is that may have caused the split, Papi says he doesn't know Joey's side of the story. He knows his though, but he won't share. Papi alleged that Joe B told him not to hang with Sniper and Akiti Roro. However, Sniper and Joey are best of friends. Now Papi says he feels like bitch nigga cause Sniper was his boy and he blindly obeyed Joey not to fuck with him. Sniper and Papi Kojo are cool now. Yanko producer. Masha. Okay, so now that was what actually popped up. Minya, this narrative analysis here, Larry King, why didn't you ever say narrative?
Other Papi Kojo ne Joey no more that a relationship na creating some kind of vibe among industry, you know.
Yeah.
Now, Joey ne Papi Kojo akabu mo music, akabu mo fashion sense. Sure. Like a good vibe. But all of a sudden, who's a woman who I say I basa. You who Papi Kojo Italy. Now Joey is Ghana. Joey was Italy. Now Papi Kojo Ghana. Now like what's going on? What's going on? Maybe the Benyan news we say there was some misunderstandings. What I say?
Yeah.
Before I can say Joey B na Papi Kojo agent so the survive or the music industry. What I say? And anything like Papi Kojo still always system. So Papi Kojo he wanted to prove a point. And try Ghana for say no. And yeah, Joey B now on that sword top.
Yeah.
Now without Joey B,
he can still survive.
Okay. But and then anything about Papi Kojo here, every Joey B. But I'm not confirming say maybe any actual problem. No. But maybe upon what I heard, that was what conspired.
But don't you think, say, a humanity aspect when it comes to the aspect of women, and I say can or more split on thing?
No. A bit my is by women per se because Joey B then Papi Kojo never shared a lady together. And now man for any intimacy and relationship side, I'm with that. Because Joey B, or be a or a social media boy, but only that relationship social boy. Relationship. Every time one that, they papa and mommy, they kind issues no. From the 12 ones. Papi Kojo you be around so yes, I know man. Recently, Papi Kojo was at the woman quiet about social media. I don't woman quiet wisely.
Okay.
What I say? And to me, it's about a lady.
Into rumor now, a pedal up, a say, oh, Papi Kojo ni Yvonne Nelson, oh, BB, and I am true. Papi Kojo ni Yvonne Nelson, any free. Who's the why you now reading this say they make canon, will be yeah.
Because manager no about JB manager council about the casa. What I say? Just say. Papi Kojo himself so prove some points.
In the meaning, so Osha side do you think say bloggers nana echoes to musicians nana?
I wouldn't say bloggers, but Ghanaians. Ghanaians don't have a problem. Because say you be and I can say you witchcraft and I you be minister important yes you
okay.
Ghanaians. The way we will put some things, some issues, issues, out of unnecessary like, and maybe say issues, no issues. And to who outside now, who problem attached to who, what for some way. So what's come for Papi Kojo prayer, and I come for JB prayer. So now Ghanaian said here, and it's a maybe say social media.
Okay.
Because social media can spoil you. It can also bring you out.
Sure.
A good side of social media,
bad side
of social media.
Okay.
A bit to do about like for patronizing. What does it?
Yeah.
But a bit matter sell.
Okay.
And social media, no, very some critical place down. Your friend go. Who you want to social media go? Adia only say. Adia is Nanado, 2013.
And that's in existence.
Up to now, you did not.
I know the year reference.
And you refer. You bow. Adia about me some time ago. You refer. Who is a Kiddy? Kiddy make comments big. That was 2012. So, yeah, that 2012 about Saturday. I'm a recently refer Kiddy. Kiddy bout the can be say as a Ghana industry be a Saturday. Be a Saturday. I'm a Saturday 8 GB. Yama Saturday 8 GB. Now, it be a just Saturday. I know 2012. That day no yari no kasa na Saturday nyai. And social media no, yeah, go I am too. Then social media make comment because Ghanaians we are the social media same relationships. Yeah, it is safe. When you are black because then social media. Social media they say normal. Ghanaians they only be found.
Okay, so time out with our very own Oboba the Pandit and entertainment pandit. What you say? Or no outdoor entertainment musical or Danny say you know the abroad no our feel what you say. So we are the exclusive show, the #1 entertainment show right here in Ghana. A Bini Baby Abium. What you say? So you did share near trendy near costo near some what you say. So let's move on to the next story. The next story is still on Nana Venze Abena Kokoni issue. I'm say Oko Twitter Nana Ba Namwa and Captain Planet. That is 4x4 Captain. Omo some banter be based on Abena Oko issue no. Today yanko share footage no na yeba na fi yede nkaya no atwa so. Producer, you're trying.
You don't envy if you blow with the blow. You see, I mean, blow with the blow.
Na kwaku free body assemble. Killer man the assemble.
Okay, so the Nana Banamwa and the Bema Captain Planet Ebobo who during the weekend on Twitter and Ababetu Jano. Now the acquired said, or say this one was from Nana Banamwa. Your tweet is the most pathetic. Okay, your tweet is the most pathetic by a mile. When she dragged the names of a lot of women, including mine and your good friend, Sandra Ankobia. Do you think it was an issue for feminists? If you want to address her, go straight at it and stop hiding behind popularism. Cheers. Please. When which mean and see. And I see. Okay, so now kakra eko PM all because of I'm now calling sex issue ni list no up pop it up no. Ama inse me be dey twa gua be fontain time so. Ama na ba na mo kra ene ye nua be ma captain. We abodie abodie sa branche no twa sa anwum ni tum no. Ono no enya banta e wo Twitter. Na me ni bi nua be ma ba be di ho abobo kakra based on abna calling issue. I think 1 or 2 minutes be now after if so now you're calling next door minia.
Bacho, producer no bet me that to be mama. Wait me that story that to so. This eye of mine, I forgot girls. I did have some matters when we did Captain Planet there no. Because Captain Planet then I say as Abna Koko they misbehave in the name her being bipolar, them feminists are all quiet. If some bro abuse her right now it be there you go. see all of them in their numbers with and one like but like up the planet Ekarasa. Who said where Nana Banamo is coming from? Right. And now where Captain Planet is also coming from is very right. And the main condemning Captain Planet. As I condemning Nana Banamo. But advice American and I said the American woman say Captain Planet issue no kind many problem because a bar no say abna koko egu nkofo anim ase no egu nkofo homes esen nkofo homes no feminist dey are fight. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Omo mboso bi egu banka upa say Captain Planet play the bar social media and bomb ma ono mada
and issues upon issues.
What is it? I come bob issues be so American man and who a Brasili and who say and who like don't be wrong with court. But I'm not going to issues in my feminist mouth. Make kite Nana Panaman about the Carquane Sawa Ame. You the woman of the Kasai.
Tell God daughter.
Where are they? Feminists no omoy omo come omo supporting ma one the equal agenda and this idea no omoy your boss to boy you one because they did not want any you are the boy the guy is like a brand ambassador who could any mercy your boy abeku satana one because they did yes sir your boy in kokosa one about complaints yes sir ọmọ ya bọ Stephen Apia legend ya bọ asamoja di Opia Mouse me complain here but say asamoja na about ebe ka say oh oni na na ba na mo manu susum na so oni na ba na mo na e dai oni we dai oni abna kokko dai Ghana for e di no atem amo akwa ye siu no same way na ye dey come man asem ye fan come man so asem because mo ara mo say dey be ma bit man no
about bit man equally yeah sure
and e corner na ba na ma side na so dey yi Captain Planet ka ezo make say Samuel bi because one who Captain Planet who go straight to the point and go straight to the point yeah man the fact for we say feminist wouldn't be sure at hand. If you want about Nana Banam was Abekan, and I know phobia could do this and the whole customer say if you are bashing the girl, bash the girl. Men found before in like a feminist no one I think kind of all come. The side on the Obia making a point, but maybe the man and the bashing of the green. Where are they? I will make it on colleague and all. Making some unnecessary comment on social media. If you can read you naked, I mean, I can't papa call winning, no winning there, or not black or no better than that.
I ask you more. Alright, so now, Nipa okay, natures will be the assembly now open account, and I'm sure the listening they will say a pile by tea. Definitely. But as far as your boss sack, your boss stone boy, dean, while he didn't be PM later. If you hold my, what do you say? Because social media, because check a video be. I want man I read Rockstone. I can report video be. I'm and the wife say. Only I'm not going to take video. Or you can report no answer ni the can list no.
I heard that video.
Hey, you see now the echo PM or honor. So now you're moving on to the next story of the day. It's still based on Abena Koko issue no. Abena Koko now she's the topic of the town. And she's really trending very well. I don't know where she needs this trend for, but at the end of the day, no, on try no one say, oh, we no any massive. So no man on this earth would like to go in for a woman of this kind, because only in a day we come she will bring you out, obeying publicly, and everybody is going to know you as a kind of person, which is not supposed to be done like that. It's a member na yawa bontino, and yes, get to be an was here, you come, and yes, get to be an was here university. because ene oko adwo o china oko ekua o e be be da boni ama. So you're very careful with the kind of lady that you move with. So now straight to Abna Koko issue no. Abranti Bako or call his FM with your friend Mr. Logic. Yeah, on friends Andy Dusty almost see some program like or there no from the man I say I'm daring Abna Oko to prove that Stoneboy slept with her. I will pay any fine she demands. I even if it has to do with me selling all my belongings. That is Mr. Logic for you. What a young video no. Now if you on mobile now mini abema ya sabo boom because a same way a more drew for someone to dare now to prove
for her every
on the proven to so now obey my money we are seeing the fadin and all their I'm now able to
you see what you read about her mental health advocate.
Yeah,
she's not a mental health advocate.
Oh,
I'm not gonna be normal in my day. I tell you.
Oh, but she's an advocate. She's advocating.
She's advocating for mental health.
Yeah, for mental health.
But in mind day, if your mind day, you cannot advocate for mental health unless someone who has gone through some form of mental illness and recovered.
Isn't that what her case is?
You think Abraham went through mental illness?
Well, that is what we know.
That's what you think. When Abraham wake up in the morning, who baths her? She baths herself.
Yes, she does.
She does her own makeups. Yeah. Have you seen Abna Koko had abstract makeup before? A makeup that she looks so abstract in face.
She's always on point.
She's always on point. Have you ever seen Abna Koko walk naked on the street of Accra before? You see her heels. Have you ever heard Abna Koko miscommunicated before? As in not being on point in terms of how she answers questions, how she even speaks with people. She's always online, speaking on point with people. I'm not going to be what we call, what's the word for her? I was looking for this word. I just forgot because
the word will
we didn't start her topic. I'm not going to be liar. That's not the word. See, I'm not going to use the mind give Ghanaians. Me, I'm telling Abna Koko today, say Abna Koko, you use your mind for Ghanaians. She is 100% normal. See the word bipolar? Don't even use bipolar for Abna Koko. Mind day. Abna in mind day. See, there are ways that you can psychologically keep yourself in business when you realize that the people are enjoying your method. She has developed a method of I don't care, a bare face.
All right, so we're back again. We all watched the video and we all knew what actually went on that very day. Because someone should sit down and then be daring her Abna to prove say I'm past Stoneboy in another no on far in the life savings and then the belongings. So only be cry or better on the Japadi Eddie are there Abna Koko. I mean this is quite serious.
Yeah.
That means the guy have a hope say Stoneboy.
Yes, he has a hope. He is speaking of the truth. There's no way Stoneboy will go and have sex with Abna Koko.
What's the kilos out?
We know Stoneboy. I tell me, some issues were by issues were by you. About almost 5 years ago, Abna Koko issues of nobody or started at you. Or started nobody and started at you. And two by say, and man, your Jim said, Obia himself, or body, a baby swallowing a quabbas and come. Is it normal? And the Abna Koko and for social media fan. Again, she will get later.
Like I do a ecosystem, maybe say only family members to sit her down and then talk.
The person has made up her mind or best saying for or Jimmy or social media. Family member then not come with you. I don't know I grab a teacher on your bipolar and all bipolar. I don't Mr. Logical. Why bipolar? You make up. I come on Saturday or phone book. So what's she talking about? Say when you're bipolar. Oh, I are intentionally. I don't when you blame you because before we buy it, almost started sound on my way. So who's a fasobu or oh yeah, I'm being on social media. Who's a man starting business or I also want to training and normally we training naked video, we training her body in bikini. Subscribe to it. We just say premium, basic. So she's now into business. Or business on social media. And also food. but she should never forget say social media no or banner or best no. Social media no show the next generation and next time you also ever back abesa. I don't know how far Moisha Budon. Moisha Budon echo BBC echo like a worldwide station. Echo cancel. I don't know that idea in Ghana. So she should think twice. No one did say, I didn't know all you know. Later on, they may pay me back. Who say, oh, I decided social media, may you be on my ska, may you be on my life, my views. But who say, social media now be good and must snatching. Because me say, make me life back to some stupid boy. And even if I'm almost to be low to that lady.
Because everyone.
I'm Santana D. Stephen Apia. List. What are you talking about?
Samia Yuku, Asamojan, Stephen Apia, Stoneboy.
One thing on him, later of a part of Stoneboy film. One thing about Stoneboy will never comment on this. On Mr. Shatawali, Stoneboy will never comment on this. Go on so foolish characters. Also, now on trend around Mesa. So, take again to Jimmy or support again. Almost again, or trust Sabi. Sana will travel.
You say the church here.
Like, I regret it. Because the girl is a brilliant girl. I will go school. Maybe in the near future, I'll go to my bed the next Nana Banamwa. And I'll go to my bed the next I'm here. And at the next Sandra and Kobia.
That's not chance as a woman.
Why I say?
For that time, not building brand new to the extent say TV3. She was working with TV3.
Why I say?
As a news anchor.
This kind of issue now that my yesterday, a fire.
That was when only Giovanni being issues with him.
You bow. And the girl, no, say if she has any advices around her, they should confront this girl and advise her. Because what she's doing, she's making a mess out of these issues. Although she's breaking homes.
Oh yeah.
And the last time I first was doing a KDB. Now, Fisher me brabo me and who first was doing. And no, Saturday was the day I first was doing. I can't say my mappe. The first was doing. I say, any family lady and a woman and what worry niku. Ah, but yes, I'm free. I'm not going to
react to it.
How I reacted to it. Then she has like a small brain like that genie. And now on doing it. Because we could not cut it, I date, I married, almost less than my worry for if I 10 years for 5 years, 2 years, 3 years. So who would have done one in Nuku? Now I'm back to call a part no be good any man here. No standing on that. Now no problems. Then that lady to be fun, sorry to say,
what is serious?
We are serious. And one another who Berman was a kill by because who didn't hear about to see me just like that social media. Obi who knew baby now what now they are reacting to no.
Okay, so I shall for away at the exclusive show on Hytvgh. I mean, you can still follow us on all the social media handles. That is Facebook Hytvgh, Instagram Hytvgh, and YouTube so Hytvgh. So video no air fair. Now the ocean we need you one like share. My own number for my order for almost video almost having that experience of us here. Because I say now one cancer say negative impact and have it on the society. We'll talk about it. A positive impact and have it on the society. We'll talk about it. We'll criticize you. We'll talk good about you. That is what we do on the exclusive show. It's not solely an entertainment base. What do you say? But then we impact into the society and the children as a whole. A very educational program. What do you say? Like we said, I introduce a topic in this particular thing. This one is based on marriage. What do you say? Marriage. Because so ekunu ana wo yere na otifi na sisa issue we aba abonten ni abo ukunu din wo list we so what would you do as a married wife? To wait my show comments no now you're reading it out now so I echo now minia based on this our issue na ekeka ko insane bi mu a enche dia story next story about next 2 or 3 stories be Everybody, and also beba our issue now, but it's an entertainment program. All right, so now your next story for the day, no, I'm seeing your brother Sammy. Over the weekend, no, Oko United Showbiz go have it. I think not or more yes showbiz or now he was actually part of them over there because on one godmother and I host, you know, if you're Schwarzenegger. Now, brother Sammy making comment. Now the comment Nino making is I don't think I can ever have sex with my wife again. Wow. I don't think I can ever have sex with my wife again. We don't know the reason though, but then let's just go watch the video when we get back. You know the reason why brother Sammy is saying he can never have sex with the wife again. Producer Ayekado for two Ghana Yenshi.
Out to be become for my year. But as a mechanism. But me too see a pa.
When you're happy.
Me say, make me name a yellow beam. Hey. Never.
Bomb. What is the problem?
And see that. And then I was a more can am woman. Maybe a good but minty solid to me, Bema.
So you see where the cage is coming from?
The reason is the uniform chili by the canal two be off. Can't be them Babylon do be a number, Jim, so near or Tessone Hannah on Phantom Fence. The uniform chili by the Obano on Yemoin. Tea, number P, and I'm inclined to what team. Don't two card in the court. Don't do hospital and doctors. Oh, what a cacrebia. Who be when I mean say no, Uncle Top. I would be in my coat to be this Olympian to a topic. TM said this, you chas and I'm so. The Busa and so no one and Roberton, they are fine. Doctor, you can't lie from your money. You see me feels no class 5 for Tim and Chan, woman ass almost several bano very well. To one of Catching should be a background now. Home farmer, you in the bed, meet Marco Baba, and I may make permission. No, so men come. It's a program, no, my friend will send the fleet. Yes, sir. 500 now. Yes, what they make a drew. Ah, well, yeah, what the mamma come out. And the man cassa, force on me, Dean, Jabacate, and the mad. Timon and Bell Kumasi. While some she said, Timo, you woke up with ya, men in the airport, if you fear no me trade, you could have 2 social media. Send some machine 3 more decon. A change you could put into. Send me a macra man in the tea, I made my money, baby. The banner Susie won't have routine to name me. May in the hospital, my dear, friend, if I'm a friend, you soon be asked. You go home because of Macuia.
Okay, so now where idea you have my brother Sammy, the nation worshipper, Otimito Sana, Akrayina, sorry, some this guy, he's dope. Now, on Otimito, a queer meaning room, we all Otimito, why infuse you on one concern lyrics as she over the problem. And one say, yes, this guy, or a dap. And you know, to me, Bow Musam, or Phyllis, yes, brother Sammy Akban, so forget everybody. Obamawati answers, yeah, Charlie, he's ready for the job and he's in to do it. Now, near Okokayano and now, Yababe Bobo say, and he has also can publicly, and that's any kind of kind publicly. Near Oyeno, is it good as a celebrity to say this thing on a national television? And that's Uncle say, or keeping it indoors. Now, if you are probably on any family issue, Nanka, keeping it away from public, no. Meaning, you ask me, okay, I mean, to your understanding, no, you think that it should have been said there, and that's can you quite so come
one time about celebrities, and I want to know about influencer, and now we have people look at see the life eda abontin na.
Oh yeah.
Why say you say we did go eba abontin. Or Brazil eba abontin. Do be bia de eba abontin. So him coming out to say this now, I don't feel any problem with it. I'm a one account or keeping it privately. But and some that you train some here ever. Who say I me go to a United show me target pan but you know Saturday na me show the man show but I'm share on social media now ona kasa stay brother Sameno obi opelele o disturb to more time a friend entertainer but that show no who are you
because na say omo born a power so
what I say later on now omo and for issues now omo marriage babe and the beka no ana edi ensensem no madam ba ku bu se question and host ni bo madam ba ku wo bo and some so ana efunu no say no or the bounce o say ye before e be so e make a be say marriage oba ne be man so tron na abon sini ebe kan bibi na wo gi truth ni ma then oba na wo be man no wa dwi esu akakra. Oh, what you said no enu bia na the program brother Sami marriage. I don't know so what brother Sami said no kwa na nya no kwe.
I don't
but the way you like you was speaking I thought it was out of his heart.
Yeah, because
emotion
say onim say asem okay. Because okan biom e kan say asem ya okay. Onim say ne yere beti. Oti a ofa no cool a normal. Ofa no eyi a odina kuma ne ne rain na na ire aka asem no. Nti enya no I don't think brother Sami will call something.
So him coming out to say it's the normal or celebrity. Need life no. Only say celebrate only bema oba kwa say we come out and pem kwa it's about.
Yeah.
Well, in the life from there it's about out that. The issue be about and the way they normal. But so say oba no say no be fun. And e be so say no be fun. What I say no oba Baptista wayo. Ya tra for 10 years. Na be obi me makura be to adwane man ndi. Ebe ka bibi se kire wo a
na wugidi
na say am pass my kra
I found wo because so, that time na Kofi akosha akwala no or the akwala because na ne in the hospital and or the kitwa no su Kofi time or you go do fie no na house help no wo ne yere nche a wo hwe no. So how did you know say on your bath for na Kofi?
What I say don't go take busen no pe bu wa repura.
Yeah, house helps for ni I don't know the reason why. Omo nta omo nta and omo nsu omo nsu. Sebi wo bibi di anaso wo bibi ta franka wo mete no bi nchen. That ain't na wo ba bete no bi chen no ba begu na ware pa. Say ebi so of the favor free man.
Menua anya house help bia ni house help. Obu okwa aware na waware no. Na ninje ana buso bi a wo frim no waware no o mani yere enje ezo masomo obi so be yere o me say awore pastor bi na kasa say dey make kasa ya and go back the same thing all o mo sharp plan say akwo o me no o megu waware what is it because waware no say wo buso ni mo yam sure what is it waware no wonya standard bi wo be wo what's that family. And to know what's happened in the area, so who worry. And to all small be, I'm talking about like out of spiritual side, no. Or small be a man either, or best say what we shall. Then Yaji. But physically, you can make be another ourselves be or more boss. No, I shall be my call report is, brothers, I mean, or pay the madam. And then they need the madam. So maybe they are not about some many madam na any problem. No idea, I show. And it's war. And at the time some room or so, what room or so, it was the rest of we reacted to. Yeah. Do one positive side, not do one negative side. Me reacting as so saying the bad. As what taking any actions. Bema will not try for 10 years. It would have been not church anymore. No one from Father being and brown. And oh, say Senate here, and Yampa and Yampa. Now, who could say, oh, now, sir, I can see a chairman, my daughter. What about us? Work I said, the air call, you know, air took one back, I call Bluche back, no. As on later on over this issue. That means the yearly keepy, Sassamana, and you or Barrow or Barbie or Bonico, bet my poison. What I say, and so a man and I remember, you're going to marriage. And you know, but as I make it speech beyond it, marriage air brought. Say you're going to relationship man and marriage man, you're doing ye. Because marriage, who do go so man, as a Jimmy Pan. Oh, as a Jimmy. Because someone Jimmy, I also a proud and I a big person. We remember to make maybe I didn't talk whatever, and I don't know baby I didn't talk whatever. But so you want Jimmy Pan now coming down. So we will be a nebu for also not or ball crowd, bedding. And I will be a nebu for also or ball crowd who are wedding, who will eating. But so we are our so and I own big, no, Obanso and big. I'm going to relationship and then to quite baby, and they lead to divorce, and they lead to marriage broken homes. The marriage in there very big. Two going to it, and then they go for can as a counselor second. So answer about joining marriage, you know. Like study much. No, so about say no pen and say no anything. Know your wife and her husband as your friend. Muniye. Muni tell you about your spouse. Was say that later on, say be an go you go no be me could say not here. Another me no ni weak point ni. But so ni sound when me na any leading to divorces nessa broken home like marriage break like things go on. See a man you're going to relationship by insure baby pan.
Okay, so now the we acquire about our real self. Try to be yourself when you are in a relationship, and that's who our room. And I want someone so I mean for someone for shower because I already the quite what I see. Then now you're moving on to the next story. That is going to be probably the last story for the day. Now yeah for NC because the Akobani said hey you mean about if you're Schwarzenegger on the host United showbiz over the weekend though. Now Ranty Omoko show this no. But I no only the why not just of a canal dream and pass or canal dream. Hey, Mr. Beautiful. Why need here, Mr. Beautiful Ghana, Mr. Beautiful, Fancy Van Dam. So I branch and Otimi canal dream pan. Now, what can send me great? I was a show you so. You're going to watch a video and you show video in back.
You can't
what you're saying. But no, that's any problems. I'm telling you, I know you're again. But recently, last week you didn't go for show Roba. Or say something.
Taking a personal. Those people are talking about me, insulting me. I'm better than them. I don't know them, they know me. That is the when you do with Beyonce at them. When you do with Cardi B at them. When you do with Jay-Z at them. But
they no more be on to no anyway.
Are they better? Those talking about Beyonce, are they better than Beyonce? Omo di matem ana there. Omo di matem na me go say wo de ne yebebaso on a special case.
Yebebaso because also
no me special time mama.
Let's come back to Abraham.
Yeah, exactly. Good. We are debating. Yeah. See, who say can be
you can
no way you're saying. But no has any problems.
I'm telling you,
I know you're again. But
recently, last week you didn't go for show Roba. Or say something.
Taking a personal. Those people are talking about me, insulting me. I'm better than them. I don't know them, they know me. That is the when you do with Beyonce at them. When you do with Cardi B at them. When you do with Jay-Z at them.
But
Then omo be omo nyom to no anyway.
Are they better? Those talking about Beyonce, are they better than Beyonce?
T.
Omo di matem na ye den. Omo di matem na me
no say wo de ne be ba so.
Okay, so Ashefo now where the Echo PMO United Showbiz. Ian Kasia brand here, Mr. Beautiful. Yeah, the man of the moment. The controversies were now about over, I think, for a period of 3 weeks. Only famous issues kakra and I see as Akako PMO United Showbiz. Now the Echo PMO na and he say, Hytvgh Schwarzenegger is one of the problems in Ghana, and he is very right here. As Mr. Beautiful guy, don't you think that the man is speaking the truth?
He's speaking the truth there. The all time.
Because the likes of Hytvgh or social media or depict some live here, if Uti no one here over Bokrono.
The same, the Mr. Beautiful guy 100%. Or can you? Wasn't there also a beautiful guy?
Yes.
Or can we be a first was nigga? Can wouldn't tell me who's stadium? See, a first was nigga, you beer. Nasamba online, Pacifica. Cause I don't like that woman. Me pen asen. But over town like a say, yeah, I ever kind of answer. Onim ye, miss also nim ye. Tia kakwa here and fan. But who needs their woo and who they send for? I don't be like a black corner. So a black corner who said, nah, Mammy is saying why I say why it's in our bed or other popular, and don't be the why and ordering this car. And to me, me cause our way now. And there will be a black corner who follow. And then the first thing I know, Cromwell. President Ben, the first thing I did not tell. Or did they follow at them, and now also a coup for MPP, and also support a coup for I must say already mama at them. And so be the watching or be your follower, and will be your room or the mobile. What do I call for the way we are now?
Oh, the celebrities need now crazy.
What I say? The life taken on this Shatawale Adam for the life that says Shatawale. I the life that says Shatawale. I don't want,
that's the best of the same.
Best of the same feathers flock together.
Okay.
And Sarah with your moon on the same lane. Although, like, who study video, all can ya, beautiful can ya, also,
yes.
Because,
what's that beautiful? It was his wish to bring that topic and to talk about that particular thing.
But we hosting to close.
Yes. Now, it was his wish, pan, and commit deliberate upon that thing, pan. And I want to make deliberate upon it very well, pan, and can see me pay up.
She's one of the problems. Obia who be ye, who papa, who be your papa ye, who got up on Chico and answer, that's so me. Yabetoska were yes, as a social media.
When the chief of staff scan or say chief of staff amount 50,000 intro.
Okay. Obia account. Obia made.
I don't know chief of staff the born in some chief of staff and managing.
You see,
but about social media about because
chief of staff
amount 50,000. All because it's either so or yeah, give me a man a shit tornado. Ashi delay. Ashi Mezbel.
They say, I call competition. What I say? And they say, oh, say, chief of staff, Mamma, Mezbel Besserman. Yeah. Who cry chief of staff, BB Wuyen, who cry, who born in San Jose. Now, who the general chief of staff, Nimu, I know. What is a competition or something on social media?
Sure.
And you know, got up on Chico and also got to Gino, whatever to social media. Because, of course, a Miss Ben who said, Rain or I am man in Papa. Would be bad a year, rain I would me yet. Oh, they are well. And the Miss also, baby, also yet, Papa, yeah, Miss also candidate and before by. But one thing about Miss Bellman who says, sir, Miss Bell acting matured. That's a 1 year, as fast as I
hear. Oh, yeah, because when you know me.
Because Miss Ball is mature or show maturity.
Miss Ball is getting to 50 years.
What I say? Because I feel like I didn't. Papa would tell them. Papa, I want to play, and they will tell you.
I must say, to an extent, so and go for addressing chief of staff. I did not tell me.
And I said, come can do. Say, yes, carry a airplane, and yes, carry a apple. I will see a diamond and quite out at the school. Now I come over here, Papa. I yes, oh yes, car. Let me come boss wa. But say na intro. E ti you stop, but of from one HMY. I had the first of the kind na so here e di so near kind. This is a beautiful, Mr. Beautiful had to one of say first of the one of the problems for Ghana ampa. The problems are Ghana. 11. Yeah, see a diamond school for road, Shatawale, and a flash as bigger. I'm okay, problems no. I won't follow social.
But when you perform, you need to be man. One, that one appear
no, it's like my followers. Another almost the first thing again, almost you. And the first thing I want to have master brain behind it. If you tell me that delay program now, and I'm stuck side issue no. Hey, how many movies can first thing away? But how many movies are first thing are okay? But so one of the big brand Ghana. Also actress. How many movies the first thing are we ama me no yake. And he found no sika. Jimiro social media na. And no man answer fatano or social. So yeah, beche. How does me broken on social media bia? I miss first thing me broken no say the content go e bia nyase bia ni. Emma, who dey do baby kwa na ne ma no. Ye hu ne ma so mo ya soro bofo. O kan ne ma ho asema se de ne ma no nya bo na ipoda.
But adi we are all here san ebema nkofo bi afa ne ma no ho tan. Because o kan ipa no asem boni a definitely obe talk ill about your kid.
Na ma ti se na se ma ti se akaka legon na ne ma ni bi ko ya na se UPS na le ba ko legon na ba ko UPS. School no ko nya connection. Something in ya obetua. Ese kwala mo faili ye. Ben do anfa meto.
Na ade na that time the results never if you am van the marriage results and meto.
So bi sa question busa no ba be answer. Timi se social media mi oga ma social media ye. O social media ye ade e betima sell, e betimi so ere e do abasoro. Do delia. E do be able something role model no am role model am sisa kwade amonte man. The reason why I love Sakwade, the guy no where one respectful, humble, like on funny baby I'm a two abontin, on my talk car, on my talk abontin, my talk car. Oh yes, guys, no, you know who's out. And I'm not brand new, solid. It's not over 20 years no, Ogusu there, our system name. So on a Kualana about quiet, echo etipen. On no way the challenging. Sure. Because we're branding no to extent say, oh yeah, Kasabad. Sakwade obia o kan de kwa na ebonde kwa ye dan ne aye papa man. Ino sakwade obia do sakwade no. We are Satawale fan kwa do sakwade. We are Samini fan kwa do sakwade. We are Stomwe fan kwa do sakwade. Because they were brand no. Elimina sakwade na magman. So obia do na magman. The brand why no brand no what to say o meri de obia atamo social media. Da ben na sia Bernard Nyako sense ba on na magbani what so ba be do biatem she won't because she has a name to what protect when you have social media and the time of starting moving on social media oh no and all my social media head e me di anything no or I say and Ghana you should be free some before and before be what I say me say social media me ye be my likes me ye be my views. Now dachi social media no e be refer because Akufo-Addo ono ahun Mahama ono ahun perform wo Ghana no mo social media e fendi agro where so waka bibi keke later on Ghana should be free.
That's right. So that was an exclusive one from the Obuoma himself. What you see here? This guy is well endowed and stuff, and we really love the way he put out stuff. So okay, nobody knows more into social media. What I say? Obe chreo. And she be obe school gra. Yes, obe social media school. Obe classes no obe shiani. They know more about social media. Why? Now, on sorry, they cannot be on social media. What I see? So this is where we are going to bring the show to, and this is where we are ending for today. And almost saw a cinema media Ibrahim Han York Estate Limited. Dan Papa Fee, what you see, Papa as a Papa to the Han York Estate Limited. Come my share no Mundins or so, what you say, or my share or Castle Calaboli Junction Honum, or Honum, my share a war. Sounds like I come for a Sarabo hotel, so any amount. So, okay, maybe I'll do more, I'll have a good time. We can open so called relaxation on the end one Sarabo hotel. Or more big event grounds are for your program, beer, obey me, host program no. Na aye crab share enso amount. Sounds like I come for York mineral water and so any amount. Mr. Papa and one York mineral water and Adam schooling. Said I was shady be I fire one this year and tidying in every Adam's clothing. Entirely Papa fee. Now that's a name, the best Asia and I'm watching at the same time. I wore the exclusive show on Hytvgh. Now Bibia I come. One thing can be man actually say your crowd. But before I ever call me, what's about Kokana? And share the mobile.
I young person. So they grew this far. I said, you'll be on Nasa about TV platform for a station there. So the Casa. Now, Mama Swap on your way. No, Masada, yeah, Madam Hanayok. Or now, my appointment, and I'm missing one about TV. I mean, you'll be coming petty with you. But then we say more TV and you make us. See, Madam Mahana, and then Mr. Sako, they are saying, yeah, Madame, a colleague in your answer. And say, I needed to put this about compared to Mude. Madame, I say, Benedict, your manager and the area, a bomb by Sunday, a home betono. They by what time a cheap and bomb by an Abibia.
Okay. So now, Niamote and Kano, a young Kasaya Brapping or Boba, yes, or Nona. Wakase ewielo na me de asida kese ekwama the entire crew boy makes me the show ebremu Nana Chimude the producer what you say and sounds na make am for Chimude receptionist obi a marketers omo ina da omo ina se so omo boy am makes me the media ebremu na asida kese enkoma kofa by Mr. and Mrs. Hannah York anansi sa akode omo na aboy ama ene yehuni yami ensure omo ene omo busia. Also, na mechi ame mame ya share our teachman summary me say new mo aye dey ba obete wo banka mensuro bia be fa enchi bia be fa what I say also na me do wi ase bia wo bia no me enhu ye ba so wonim say wo dia ene me chiao pa so obete ma follow you all social media handles so Hytvgh Instagram Hytvgh Facebook Hytvgh YouTube and my social media handles MC_I or Instagram and Facebook near MCI. What you say? That's in there. You be say share. Makramo. Bye bye.